Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your language skills to the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on profile at the top and scroll down to the languages known section at the bottom of the screen. Here you should mention the languages you can speak, read and write, and click on the add button on the right side. Type in the language to the first bar, then enter the proficiency, beginner, proficient or expert, and then select whether you can read, write or speak. Tap on the save button to add your language. As you can see, it will appear at the bottom as well. So you can add as many languages as you would like to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.